Hey guys, so I got these metal molds online for bambooing foam darts. From past testing as shown in my previous videos, the bamboo versions of the worker darts and the rumbling darts have proven to have better performance and tighter groupings than the regular ones. But how about the Sabre 1.3g Tdarts? Let's find out. Before the grouping test, let's take a look at how the bamboo Tdarts were made. I'm using this SK Nerf Studio mold for the 3-rib bamboo and this swing integrated mold for the 4-rib bamboo. The swing mold is slightly shorter as it is made for 36mm short darts, while the Tdarts are about 38mm and the top rib will appear slightly longer. Honestly, I prefer the SK one as it is bigger, able to bamboo more darts at one go, it's about 30% cheaper than the swing one, and the bamboo darts just come out more consistent than the swing. Also, the darts that came out from the swing mold are not as consistent. Some batches are okay, while some have the bottom burnt and melting a bit, even at the same temperature and timing. The SK 3-rib mold does not have such consistency issues. Hence, I have also ordered the 4-rib version from SK and it will reach me soon. Drop a comment below if you want me to review that next time. I also got the 3D printed mold to make 2-rib darts, but these require more effort to dunk into warm water for several minutes, and I was too lazy to do that. Maybe next time. As you can see, I did plenty of trial and error to get the temperature right. It is important to note that the exact temperature will depend on what type of heating device you use. I am using a mug warmer to heat up the molds. For info, the manufacturers recommended 90 degrees Celsius for about 6 minutes on the lab heating plate. I tried that on my mug warmer and the foam just melted after 1 minute. After numerous attempts, I found that 60 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes is ideal for the SK mold, and 50 degrees Celsius is good for the swing mold. So, different types of heating devices will require different temperature settings. I am bambooing 3-rib Tdarts with the SK mold first, at 60 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. And now, the 4-rib Tdarts with the swing mold at 50 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. After about 30 minutes of cooling time, the darts are ready. Taking them out of the molds. Let's head out to the range to test these darts. I am aiming for the head of this 30-meter figure 11 target. I am using the worker Kunlun blaster with the Gavin Fuzzy 5-row 8-degree BCAR, 2.0 spring and default 55cm barrel with 30mm inner diameter. It is averaging around 300 FPS with regular 1.3g Tdarts. As you can see, the groupings for the bamboo darts are not as good as the regular darts. The results surprised me too, as worker bamboo darts and rumbling bamboo darts have shown better results. Will the bamboo Tdarts perform better in barrels with tighter 12.7mm inner diameter, like the blue barrels? Also, was it because I'm a bad cook and did not bake the darts properly? I did try my best to maintain the same baking temperature and cooling time, and also visually and physically check the bamboo darts to make sure that they were consistent versus the regular ones. I will probably repeat this bamboo Tdart test again once I get the Slings 2.1 with the tighter blue barrel. Stay tuned for part 2 of this bamboo Tdart experiment. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thank you and see you.